Hey everyone, today we're at Supabarn in Kingston. As you can see, we've got a walk-in refrigerator right here. So let's go check it out. We have two Kirby evaporators, as you can see, both having 4 sets of fans on them, which makes about 8. Yep, we've got the coil back there, as you can see. Coil says to make. So basically how it works, like I said before, we've got this part here that injects the water into the coil. And these fans pretty much freeze it up, and this is how you get the cold air in here that these refrigerators use in these supermarkets. And that's how the evaporators work. It's actually the cold air. The cold air actually comes from there, as you can see. And these keep the ice cold inside the coil. And that's basically how it works. So it's the coil that's keeping the air cold. Because of, you see there's like a bit of white stuff in there. That's actually ice. Like actual water. Frozen water. That's all I know about the evaporators, and that's basically how they work. That's about it really. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next episode. Bye.